That's wrong to start with. It says good afternoon, everyone. Good morning, everybody. My name is Simon Landau from PrintFactory, and yes, that's right, my American accent comes with a distinct British flair. Time to buckle up. My 30 plus years of diving into industrial printing, large format, offset, and everything in between, I've seen it all. From Tel Aviv to Moscow, Dubai to Karachi, and all over Europe, North America, South America. That's okay, no problem at all. It smells quite nice, that. North America, South America, and Asia. I've been in front of more large format digital presses than you can shake a roll of vinyl at. Flatbed cutters, roll-to-roll cutters, welders, sewing machines, you name it. I've probably seen it and driven it to output perfection and efficiency. But let's cut to the chase, no pun intended. With all this experience in world hopping, I've witnessed the good, the bad, and the downright hilarious in the world of print. And now, along with the PrintFactory vision, yes, that name again, I'm here to spill the beans and show you how software brings the magic to your print shop, from the front end to the back. Today, Navco have asked me not to give you a hard sell on our powerful print software ecosystem. So instead, I'd like to delve into the world of print perfection with you. Fact, all printing is a numbers game, and we should obviously all strive for maximum efficiency and profitability. So let's explore the depths of the ideally efficient, perfect print shop, focusing on workflow and production. Let's kick things off with the order processing phase. Imagine you've received a customer inquiry for a print project. They've sent you all the details through email, web to print, or even a good old-fashioned phone call. The provided artwork and specifications include quantity, sizes, substrates, the whole shebang. Now here's where the magic should happen. Estimation. It's essential to nail down the entire production workflow, from material costs, ink usage, printing and finishing times, all the way to delivery. This meticulous planning is the key to maximizing profitability. Data analytics from your printing systems and cutting systems play a crucial role in this process. Tracking the product's journey throughout the production workflow, from printing and cutting to laminating, welding and sewing, ensures smooth operations and a complete end product cost analysis. Most companies rely on an MIS or ERP system to manage job orders and work backs from the moment the order comes in. And hey, you may even offer a proof to the customer for content sign-off, be it a hard copy or these days a snazzy low-res PDF with annotation capabilities provided by an online customer portal. Once the customer gives the green light, we're on our way to print production perfection. But hold on, there could be some tricky spots here. Often clients want their product yesterday, which can add extreme pressure to the product delivery process. So let's tackle each challenge head on in the effort to create a smooth, efficient, and error-free workflow. First up, creating a job order. Ensuring you have the correct media set in stock, ideally in the right size for their output, is the key to minimizing waste during the cutting and maximizing nesting efficiency. Stock control plays a vital role here. And let's not forget about quality expectations. Understanding the color reference space or print standard your client desires is crucial. Are they after vibrant colors that pop, or do they want to match a predefined commercial print standard, like G7 for example? Now moving on to the pre-press phase. This is where we prep the files for large format output. Sometimes, likely much more often than we'd like, the files from the customer may need some fixing, especially if they've been created poorly, or to address problems such as white object knockout, open cut contours, intersecting cut contours, or ensuring accurate printing of corporate brand spot cuts. There can be time-consuming tasks during the pre-press process. The pre-press stage often creates bottlenecks in large format printing, especially when using a resource-heavy Adobe Creative Cloud apps like Illustrator and Photoshop. These powerful tools are designed primarily for the creative process, and while they can be used for general graphics editing, they are not necessarily optimized for large format printing. As a result, processing files in these apps can be time-consuming or outright cumbersome, and as such can put a significant strain on your computer as well as your human resources. Large format files can be humongous, and dealing with them can be quite resource intensive. You will want to speed up this process to save time and resource, and allow print and cut ready data to be delivered to the production devices as speedily as possible. Automation is the name of the game. Automating pre-flighting and fixing tasks with workflow tools or templating can provide a huge return on investment and boost to the efficiency of your pre-press workflow. Making the most of every square inch of media and delivering top-notch results with minimal manual user intervention. When the file is ready for printing, achieving the correct color is crucial. This involves profiling of all your printers and substrates, and even repurposing existing profiles for different media white points that could change the look of highlights and grays, as long as the surface tension and corona in the material is the same. For all printers and printing technologies, effective color management reduces the need for extensive versioning. Ideally, you aim to eliminate any need for editing customers' files to achieve accurate color output, ensuring seamless printing across multiple platforms. Maintaining a proper grey balance and handling mass neutrals are essential in all forms of printing, as customer complaints often revolve around issues of grey balance, such as the dreaded green neutrals. You'll need a powerful solution to de-skill the colour management or profile building process, eliminating the need for advanced colour management specialist consultancy costs. Having the ability to profile multiple devices and or substrates simultaneously. This significantly speeds up the entire workflow and is paramount to extract maximum colour accuracy from each device on each media and with your existing staff. Yes, Mr. Colour Consultant, AI or machine learning algorithms are replacing all of us, myself included. And one also that addresses easy compensation for metameric effects that can impact neutrals and various lighting conditions, ensuring consistency of accurate grey balanced output regardless of the final viewing environment. The ability to quickly match corporate brand colours and maintain their accuracy consistently, providing unmatched colour fidelity for brand conscious customers, is paramount to satisfying all clients' expectations and making sure they remain clients. Once these profiles are established, it's equally as vital to be able to recalibrate. And I mean recalibrate, not relinearize, ensuring consistent printing results throughout the year, every day, every month. A software that includes easy media size compensation written into specific printer profiles in between element cutter registration marks, ensuring precise output with stretch and shrink adjustments, thus guaranteeing accurate cutting results, specifically for soft signage on textile, is also a must. One more huge advantage of advanced but powerful colour management lies in efficiently applying the minimum ink film on the media whilst achieving the maximum gather. This not only saves ink, but also extends the lifespan of often expensive printheads. By adopting this approach, you can expect a real average ink saving of up to 20% more compared to traditional ICC workflows, leading to a significantly fast return on investment. Moreover, this practice promotes sustainability, reduces material ink usage due to a reduction or elimination of versioning, and boosts profitability, all the while maintaining environmentally friendly practices. Colour management is critical for achieving consistent results. Building and recalibrating profiles ensures consistent output, and having the ability to satisfy some of the most demanding brand colours expectations with clever quality control tools that can also be used by your sales team to nab those big accounts. Now let's get to the heart of our job, producing output. Once the file is ready for printing, you need a workflow solution that offers a faster and more efficient way of managing printers and cutters, avoiding conflicts, errors, and creating a centralized workflow. This will allow you to harness the power of load balancing, distributing the workload across multiple color-matched printers of the same type, ink, and medium. This maximizes efficiency and ensures a seamless delivery of product orders by utilizing multiple machines for the same work, matched identically. Yes, this is actually possible. Okay, let's summarize some of these areas of production efficiencies. Integrated quality control tools. Delivering consistent quality colour is vital, especially for high-end brands. Quality control tools guarantee that you meet service level agreements and provide top-notch colour accuracy, always. Connected precision cutting. Seamlessly marrying print data and cut data is essential for flatbed or roll-to-roll cutters. You need centralised cutting workflows, complete with barcodes or QR codes, to ensure accurate and error-free cutting, including merged cut lines whenever possible to speed up the cutting production. I see way too often inefficient workflows that employ a PDF for printing and a separate PDF for cutting. No chance for errors there then. Built-in efficient nesting tools. Enhance nesting or ganging efficiency by grouping multiple job orders together in the same rolling sheet, with the ability to produce part label workflow, reduce errors and misprints. Being able to do quick reprints when rerouting. You need the ability to reprint and reroute jobs from anywhere, so you can gain flexibility and convenience. And you need to be able to easily log reasons for reprints, like missing nozzles, to streamline and improve your process through learning and thus maintaining further control over costs. Empowering your press operators. The goal here is to let the press operators focus on printing without worrying about colour or critical layout decisions. Minimizing errors and maximizing their time is critical for smooth operations and the longevity of your devices, as it allows them time to do daily, weekly and monthly maintenance routines, which are currently often neglected. Optimize and connected finishing steps. Once the product is printed and accurately cut, you will move on to the finishing steps. Grommets or eyelet placement, laminating, calendaring for die sublimation, banner welding, sewing. You need to ensure these finishing processes are tracked and optimized. By feeding this data back to your front-end systems, you can refine the estimation process, maximizing profitability for each product SKU. In a nutshell, a comprehensive solution like PrintFactory's approach to print perfection optimizes every step of the production workflow, resulting in efficiency and accuracy, and ultimately satisfying customers, and much, much more profit. Moving forward on our journey towards production perfection, the next consideration is centralized single-site or multi-site production. This allows you to effortlessly send jobs from one printer or production site to another, ensuring consistent colour accuracy across all devices and printing plants. Load balancing ensures optimal capacity utilisation across all your devices, even at different location sites in different states or even countries. This challenges the conventional focus on printer specifications like speed, media, compatibility, overall cost of ownership, and ignoring the bundled RIP software during the purchasing decisions. It's essential to acknowledge that software driving the printers and finishing devices that you spend time researching prior to purchase plays an often ignored and ultimately crucial role in achieving the optimum and most accurate output results with the minimum amount of waste and overhead. All RIPs softwares are not created equal and do not output or operate in the same way by any means. Many print shops still rely on multiple RIPs and the default colour profiles that come with them, leading to extensive production time spent on revising output. This wasteful practice leads to versioning, which in turn consumes precious media, ink and resources. To counter these inefficiencies, optimizing a central workflow solution with automated pre-press tasks is the key. This comprehensive approach provides precise colour management, minimizing ink usage while maximizing media efficiency. Making this shift is critical for optimizing the bottom line and ensuring a sustainable and profitable printing process. Apologies for repeating the same story here, but it really is crucial to maximizing your profits. Cost is frequently raised as an objection when companies seek efficient software solutions. However, it's also essential to recognise that the software cost is only a fraction of what the printing and finishing devices actually cost. In reality, the ROI for the right software can be absolutely astonishing. Through significant ink savings alone, software and spectrophotometer hardware required typically pays for itself in as little as 2 or 3 months. So investing in the right software not only enhances efficiency, but also proves to be super smart financial decision in the long run. Okay, unlocking the potential of your data is like discovering sunken treasure. The key lies in accessing it centrally and transparently, and starts with data collection from printers and cutters, and the ability to time track post-print finishing processes. That's right, the much talked about but rarely implemented Industry 4.0. Managers who have access to accurate upfront estimation info and significant production data, feeding it back to front-end dashboards, MIS or ERP systems, gain a deeper and more accurate understanding of the entire production process. With this transparency, they can identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies, allowing them to take proactive action and fine-tune the entire workflow. Strategic positioning of devices in the plant further streamlines the production process, maximizing efficiency and profit through faster production. Now, time for a small rant, I'm afraid. The environment for specifically your printing devices is critical to consistent production. Reducing or even eliminating mechanical printing issues such as excess static build-up, banding, color deviations in short time periods, and many, many more. A consistent, and I repeat, consistent, controlled temperature and humidity environment for your printers, and ideally also the storage of substrates, pays back so much more than the cost of implementing. Trust me on this. I'm sure many of you have already been told this in the past at some point by your printer suppliers. If you're not, you should have been. Okay, back to the script. Implementing lean production practices empowers you to identify historically unprofitable product SKUs. Armed with powerful Industry 4.0 data insights, decisions can be made to adjust pricing or even replace unprofitable products with more lucrative options. The key to achieving this level of transparency lies in tracking the entire process through barcode or QR code scanning each stage of production, by feeding this data to front-end analytics systems and/or connected MIS or ERP systems. Informed decisions can be made when introducing new printing and finishing equipment. Too often, printers are purchased to compensate for existing inefficiencies in production. However, with the right data insights, you can strategically add new printers or finishing tools to enhance capacity without wasteful overinvestment. Ultimately, these practices empower you to optimize your company's growth, to ensure accurate decision making, and in making the most profitable choices for your company's future. Should you wish, PrintFactory aims to be your partner in achieving print perfection, without the hard sell, of course. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Let's make printing more efficient and profitable together.